We got a fucking ceiling fan in the living room. That's up. Got a double switch on the wall right here, which we're going to replace this left ugly one with a clean white one that I got today from the hardware store. Also, we got microwave. Because the outlet is installed up in the fucking cabinet. Now, let's go see if that dryer vent is hooked up. Where a receptacle for a dryer vent. And we have a plug for our dryer. Why put it way the fuck up there? But, right there. Is what it is. I would have put it down a little lower, but that's fine. Maybe he was, maybe he didn't have a lot of wire. Let me think about it like that. So today, it's gonna be like 95 degrees at this bitch. And I didn't have no help show up today, so I will be out here by myself again, working in the fucking heat. It looks like I'm gonna end up being the one to clean out that nasty ass refrigerator. So that's what we're doing today. And I'm late getting to this motherfucker. So that's where we're at today. All right, now we're at the end of day 45 of our house renovation. And the refrigerator is clean. All the mold is gone. All the nasty fucking shit that the previous tenant that lived in the house did to this refrigerator is all cleaned up nicely. And the refrigerator is in a condition that's acceptable to be kept in the kitchen or in the new kitchen. So that was done today. Outside, we started pulling all these fucking storm windows and shit off of the house. That's created a lot of condensation in between the storm windows and the windows. It's rotting the window sashes out and the sills. So this is what that looks like. So every one of these damn screws was underneath of about fucking 15 coats of paint and oil paint and everything. So some of them had to be broke and cut off, and all that's just got to be all scraped down and repainted. All of these windows need to be reglazed. I'm not putting the storm windows back on here. If anything, they go back on here to put screens. Drill a hole right here and a hole over here, one at the top and one at the bottom, and fit a fucking screen in there. Because all that window glazing is gone out of there. And the window glazing over here is fucking just falling out. See, it's crumbling. And that's just what's holding the windows in this house. Old school. So I pulled all them fucking storm windows off of there. Still got a couple left. Got 3 on that bedroom and 3 on the other front corner bedroom and 1 on the other side. So 7 of them left. Pull that one off. Those need to come off. Also, it's going to be a lot of wood rot. A lot of fucking rotted fascia boards. You got to pull all the gutters down. The granite people are coming on Wednesday and putting the granite countertops in. So pull this gutter down. And look at that shit. Rotted. Rot. Rot. Get a lot of wood rot. That's the fascia board behind the gutter, and I got a feeling all of them are going to be fucked up like that. So you'll pull all those gutters down and replace all them damn fascia boards. 3/4 fascia boards. I pulled the 2 storm windows off of the kitchen and scraped them bitches down. Got to get up there and scrape all that shit. Got one more storm window right there. There are none on the front but the bathroom. So yeah, bathroom, that makes 8 of them. So I was over here working by myself today on the storm windows and shit, taking gutters and stuff down like that. So not a whole lot got done. Plus I didn't get here till probably like 11 o'clock. And now it's like 4:30 and I'm getting ready to hit the trail. But tomorrow will be day 46. I'm gonna pick up some more shit in the morning and get the rest of these storm windows off, scrape down and everything, and start fixing the window sills and everything. So stay tuned tomorrow for day 46 of our house renovation, where we'll be doing the same shit today and tomorrow, the same shit. I came in this fucking room right here and started to drill a hole for my dryer vent, but can't find the damn dryer vent. It's probably in the guy's truck that works with me. I don't have that. That didn't happen today. So subscribe to GetGo TV. Hit the like button. If you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Also, you can email me at peninsulaimp@aol.com or peninsulaimp@gmail.com, which is in the channel description. Hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And take advantage of about 340 more videos that we have uploaded that you can watch. And also, every day this week I'll probably be uploading a video of a car on top of the renovation. So have a good day. Subscribe to GetGo TV. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 46 of our house renovation.